I wonder why the kid not far away by now. But it's true, that could give me a good chance to catch him. I better tell my wife about it. Darling.
What?
Come in here.
Where are you?
I am in the living room.
I'm coming.
Look, Billy Casper in the newspaper.
So what, dear?
That will give me a good chance to catch him. I will find my best man and ride away.
Please pick me, sir.
Action.
Okay, Ghoster. I'll find your best man and we will go later on.
Don't be worried. Let's catch him.
Not yet. We have to watch what he does next.
Alright, can we catch him now?
Yes, attack!